Again, fuckers, we're back with another box. Yeah. Man, I got the heavy duty tape on this motherfucker. Wow. Just like a freaking, just a bundle of all kinds of cool stuff. Not bad. Look at that little thing. I thought that thing was gonna be a lot taller. God damn. Ends the camera. Oh, this is the exciting part. I'm so excited. Guard, if you got another box. A lot of stuff. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Alright. In the words of the Strokes, let's get to the real meat and potatoes. It's another Garfield. USB-C cable. I'm assuming battery. Yes. That's a big battery compared to the other one. Wow. Dude, that motherfucker is big compared to this one. Wow. Oh wow, that's cool. The zoom is just like a lever. You don't actually have to twist or nothing. You just push to zoom in and then go down to zoom out. That's fucking fancy. Hey. Nope. No power. Dang, that's fucking cool though. Ooh, look at that. Another battery. What the hell is this? Oh, yo. It's like a little like cleaner. Whoop. Card reader. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Two 64 gigabytes of memory. Dang, this is definitely worth it. All the shit that just came in this fucking box. That's awesome. Well, can't see me, but till next time, people. Actually, I'll make some footage with this camera and then post it and stuff. But yeah.